Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV Tutorial for Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix printer not accepting print command in Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. If your Windows 10 11 computer is sending print command but the printer is not responding, the issue is usually a stalled print queue, print spooler service error, or a temporary cache files glitches. Follow these methods in order to resolve the problem. That is what we are going to do. So watch the video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. Method number 1. Clear the stalled print queue. Open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. In the search box, type printer and scanner, and in the search results, here click on printer and scanner settings. It will open printer and scanner settings page. Here check on your stalled printer and then click on your stalled printer and then click on open queue like this. If any stalled print queue you can see here, then go to printer section and click on it and then click cancel all documents like this. Then click yes to confirm delete all documents. This will delete all stalled print queue documents. Once done, check if the issue is fixed or not. It will fix your problem. Next, if the problem persists, method number 2. Clear the print spooler cache with command prompt. Sometimes a corrupted document gets stuck at the front of the line blocking everything else. So clear the print spooler cache with command prompt. To do that, open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. In the search box, type CMD, and in the search results, here you need to run command prompt as administrator. Select Run as Administrator, then click Yes to approve the user account control prompt. It will open command prompt with admin privilege. In the command prompt window, type the following command. Copy and paste this command from the description box below. Type this command net stop spooler and press enter to stop the service. Then type this command delete del space %systemroot %system32 /spool /printers /**q and press enter to clear the print spooler cache. Then type this command net start spooler and press enter. This will restart the service to allow printing again. Once done, check if the issue is fixed or not. This will fix your problem. That's all. If the problem persists, next, method number 3, restart the print spooler service. The print spooler manages all print jobs. If it freezes, the printer will ignore new commands. Then restart the print spooler service. To do that, open the run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the run dialog box field, type services.msc and press enter to open the services window. In the services list, scroll down cursor until you find either print spooler services and then double click on it. It will open print spooler properties. Here, if the service is not running, ensure print spooler running automatically. Here under General tab, in the Startup Type drop down menu, select automatic like this. Then if the service status is not running, click the start button like this. Then click apply to keep the changes and then click OK to save the changes. This will fix your problem. That's all. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to see more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.